In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the result of using rosemary water in 3 weeks. So this is my freshly made braid and I'll be using the rosemary water on it for 3 weeks. So guys, first thing first, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make the rosemary water. So this is the dried rosemary leaf that I'll be using. If you have access to the fresh leaf, you can also use the fresh leaf as well, but I'll be using the dried leaf. I bought these from the market, so you can get it around your place. It is very easily accessible around your wherever your area. Get it at the market or any supermarket. So this is me, because I'll be using this for 3 weeks and I'll be using it 3 times in a week. I decided to put it into 2 different jar that I'm using. So I put the dried leaf inside it and then I boil hot water. So after putting it inside the jar, I added the hot water and then I covered it and stored it for 24 hours in my kitchen cabinet. I stored it for 24 hours and before I filtered, and then I started applying it for the 3 weeks that I'll be using it. So before I start showing you guys the application process, I want to give you guys the benefits of rosemary leaf. Rosemary leaf is an aromatic herb that is commonly used in culinary. That is, we use it in different kind of dishes. We use it in our stew, our soup, different kind of food that we make at home, and it is also used for medicinal application. It has a lot of benefits. So this is the result after 24 hours. You can see it's already inside my spray bottle and I'll be using it to spray on my hair. So when you use this rosemary water, you have to be spraying it directly to your scalp. So what I did is I sprayed it directly to my scalp. This is actually the first time of trying it, so I wanted to see, like, okay, the benefit. It has a whole lot of benefit, and majorly the reason why I was using it was because of hair loss, because it actually reduces hair loss. And my last takedown braid, I had the shedding was not much, but then I felt like it was too much. So let me see what this rosemary water is going to do, if it's going to reduce it or not. And yeah, you guys are definitely going to know by the end of the video if it actually reduces hair loss. So this is what I did all through the 3 weeks that I used it. I used it 3 times in a week, like I said, and then for 3 weeks that was the same procedure I was doing. And after using it on my scalp, my hair strand, the tips of my hair, I also go over with my oil, because despite the fact that this rosemary leaf has benefits, you are still using water. You are adding it inside water, and if you don't apply your oil or hair butter after adding water on your hair, you know what that means. Your hair is going to dry, and then it's going to leave your hair dry. Like once the water dries, your hair will be dried without any application of oil and hair butter. So it is advisable, after you use the rosemary water, whatever oil that you've been using for your hair care, make sure you apply it around your hair and the hair strand as well. So there are different benefits in using rosemary water, and I'll be talking about the stimulation of blood circulation. It helps stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, and this helps deliver different essential nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles. So this helps promote healthy hair growth, and it also contains antioxidant properties. This helps protect the hair follicles from damages, and it also has anti-inflammatory effect, which helps to reduce scalp inflammation. This actually helps to reduce hair loss. So in case you've been having a whole lot of hair loss, then you should consider using this rosemary leaf for your hair. and also it has antimicrobial properties that helps to control dandruff. If you've been struggling with dandruff, then you should give this a try. It helps control dandruff and it promotes healthier scalp. So when you have a healthy scalp, you know that is when your hair will be able to grow. So it helps promote healthier scalp for hair growth. And this is an aromatherapy. According to research, it helps reduce stress. It has some properties that helps reduce stress. The aroma of the rosemary have a calming effect and it helps to reduce stress. So using this, will I recommend it for you guys to use? It varies individually, like the result varies individually. So, and it depends on various factors, and the factors can be genetics, it can be overall health, and it can also be your hair care practice. So like I always say that I am not a professional in this. I share this based on my experience and also the researches that I do. So if you have any, health related issues, you should see your, dermatologist or any hair professional before you consider using this. But if you don't have any issues, any health related issue, then I can recommend you can give it a try. But I always say, if you are trying something, you have to do a patch test. I mean, if you are starting, if you want to use it, do a patch test. See, like, study it if it has any effect on your skin, or maybe you are reacting to it, then you know that yes, it is time to stop using it. So if you start, maybe you want to use it the first day, once you apply it, you notice, study how your scalp or your skin is feeling. If it's giving you any itchiness, then you know that this thing is not for you. So you have to stop it. And guys, to be honest, this really helped. You guys can even see the new growth from the initial video of when I braided the hair, and now this, like, the growth is just everywhere. And when I took down the braid, my goodness, I was shocked. Like, I was shocked. And unfortunately for me, I mistakenly deleted the video of the braid takedown. I mean, I didn't record it, but I did a video of the hair shedding after taking down the braid and properly detangling the hair. I mistakenly deleted the video, so I'm really, really sorry about that. And guys, if you know you're not ready for, people complimenting you, like, especially the funny one is when you're in the bus and then somebody start touching your hair and like, ah, your hair is this, your hair is that. So this is one thing. If you are not ready for that, then I don't think you should use this particular thing, because your hair is going to grow. It's going to help you reduce hair loss, and you'll be getting a whole lot of compliments. And yes, trust me, this is actually a good thing you should try. This is actually a good hair care you should try. I hope you learned from this. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.